Question number 24. Every Cauchy sequence in a NLS is dash. Option A bounded, option B unbounded, option C constant, option D none. The correct answer is option A bounded. Question number 25. Every closed unit sphere is a normed linear sphere is dash. Option A bounded set, option B a compact set, option C an open set, option D a convex set. Correct answer is option D a convex set. Question number 26. In a normed linear space, the norm is a dash function. Option A discontinuous function, option B jointly continuous function, option C continuous function, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option C continuous function. Question number 27. If the principal part of f of x at x equal to a has a finite number of terms, then z equal to a is a dash. Option A pole, option B premovable singularity, option C essential singularity, option D double pole. And the correct answer is essential singularity, option C. Question number 28. Which is connected? Option A Q, option B Z, option C R, option D set of all irrationals. The correct answer is R, option C. Question number 29. The set of all real numbers R is dash. Option A bounded, option B closed, option C compact, option D none. The correct answer is option B closed. Question number 30. S is equal to 1 by n, where n is equal to 1, 2 and so on, then the accumulation point of S is dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 1 by n, option D none. And the correct answer is option A 0. Question number 31. If A and B are connected subsets of a metric space M, then dash is connected. Option A union B is connected. Option B A minus B is connected. Option C A power C is connected. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option D none of these. Question number 32. If F is an element of A comma B and if E is E is a C of A comma B, then M E is equal to 0. Then integral H is equal to option A 1, option B 0, option C 2, option D 3. The correct answer is option B 0. Question number 33. If O of G is equal to 7, then the number of subgroup of G is dash. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 2 power 7, option D 2 power 7 minus 2. The correct answer is option A 2. Question number 34. P is a prime number of the degree of the splitting field of P of x equal to x power P minus 1. Q is dash. Option A P, option B P minus 1, option C P plus 1, option B 1, option D 1. The correct answer is P minus 1, option B. So we have 35th question. The edge of regression of the oscillating developable of a space curve is the dash. Option A envelope, option B curve itself, option C curve, option D space. The correct answer is option B curve itself. Question number 36. The rate of change of the tangent when we proceed along the curve is called dash. Option A normal, option B torsion, option C curvature vector, option D unit tangent vector. The correct answer is curvature vector, option C. Question number 37. Directions of panametric curves are conjugate if A m not equal to 0, B m equal to 1, C m equal to 0, D m equal to infinity. The correct answer is C, option C, m equal to 0. Question number 38. Dupin indicatrix is dash. Option A straight line, option B a circle, Option C, a conic section. Option D, a pair of straight line. The correct answer is a conic section. It is option C. Question number 39. The point P on the curve for which r double dash equal to 0 is called a point of dash. Option A, origin. Option B, locus. Option C, reflection. Option D, center of curvature. The correct answer is option C, reflection. Question number 40. The number of basic variables in m by n transportation table is dash. Option A, m plus n, mean deviation. Option B, m plus n minus 1. Option C, m minus n plus 1. Option D, m into n. The correct answer is m plus n minus 1. Option B. Question number 41. The sum of squares of deviations of a set of values is minimum when taken about the dash. Option A, mean. Option B, median. Option C, mode. Option D, origin. The correct answer is mean. Option A. Question number 42. In a normal distribution, the ratio quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation is dash. Option A, 10:15:10. Option B, 10:12:15. Option C, 10:10:12. Option D, 15:12:15. The correct answer is option B, 10:12:15. Question number 43. Let f be a non-constant real-valued continuous function on R, then the range of f is dash. Option A, countable. Option B, infinite. Option C, null. Option D, non-countable. The correct answer is option D, non-countable. Question number 44. A cyclic group with just one generator has dash elements. Option A, at least 2 elements. Option B, at most 2 elements. Option C, at most 4 elements. Option D, at most 6 elements. The correct answer is at least 2 elements. Option A. Question number 55. If f of x is equal to x square, where x lies between minus pi and pi, then the value of the Fourier coefficient is dash. Option A, 2 pi square by 3. Option B, pi. Option C, 0. Option D, 1. And the correct answer is option A, 2 pi square by 3. Question number 46. All dash functions are periodic functions. Option A, binomial. Option B, integral. Option C, arithmetic. Option D, trigonometric. The correct answer is trigonometric. So all trigonometric functions are periodic functions. Question number 47. Which function can be expanded as Fourier series? Option A, sin x. Option B, cos x. Option C, tan x. Option D, none. The correct answer is tan x. Option C. Question number 48. The fundamental period of a constant function is dash. Option A, 0. Option B, 1. Option C, 0 or 1. Option D, does not exist. The correct answer is option D, does not exist. Question number 49. If f is a continuous function with the period 2 pi and integer on R, then the arithmetic mean of the partial sums of the Fourier series generated by f converges uniforms to f. This statement is. So the statement, I am reading it once again. If f is a continuous function with a period 2 pi and an integer on R, then the arithmetic mean of the partial sums of the Fourier series generated by f, it will converge uniforms to f. So this statement is option A, Fisher. Option B, Bonel. Option C, Fedger. Option D, Labisque. The correct answer is option A, Fisher. So the statement was given by Fisher. And question number 50. For a maximization problem, the objective function coefficient for an artificial variable is dash. For a maximization problem, the objective function coefficient for an artificial variable is dash. Option A plus m, option B minus m, option C 0 and option D none of these. The correct answer is option B minus m. So இப்போ வரைக்கும் 50 questions பார்த்துருக்கோம். இனி நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோஸில் 51லேருந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி பேட்டர்னில் வந்து ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த மாதிரியே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு எக்ஸாமில் கேட்குறக்கு நிறைய சான்சஸ் இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். தேங்க்யூ.